crazy?
Hell yeah. Oh my god, dude. It is literally... YouTube, welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us out here with my G82 M4 parked up, looking good. We got a good amount of cars together, including this AMG in blue. You can drop the top in these cars. I really like these things. They still got that V8 twin turbo. We got a nice Maserati drop top, but we also have this beautiful Aventador Lamborghini in orange. Pretty bone stock. But this over here I really like is a yellow F355 Berlinetta. But this one has a carbon bucket seats and a 6-speed manual transmission inside this car. Nice wheel option as well. Oh, very cool. Very timeless design. This is actually one of my dad's favorite cars on the planet. He would love to own this exact car in this exact color, and this exact transmission. We have a frozen quarter mile blue G82 M4. This one has the buckets too, so black interior. See, he's got these nice side skirts on the car as well. Come around back, it's got like an M Performance wing. But then you see M Performance style exhaust with the quad tips in like a diagonal fashion. Looks nice. You see doors going up on this Lamborghini. This is the Ultimate. It's a frozen gray color. This is the last edition of the Aventador. I think that's why they call it the Ultimate. It looks really cool. See the doors go up as well. But just check out the interior of this Aventador. Full carbon fiber bucket seats. Behind this though, we got a nice X6M in white. But you can see it's got red interior as well. So nice color combo on this. There's another M2 over there. And we have a few more cars pulling in as we speak. Doesn't even make sense how loud that Mustang is. So you guys see us, we're back on the road. My goodness, we got some good sounding cars. We got the naturally aspirated American V8, Italian V12, big liter as well, and then we got an F355 behind us. That one's got like a Capristo exhaust system on it, so we're cooking, man. We're going on a nice little canyon drive to start the day. Ultimate just looks so good. This is the final iteration of the Aventador. Now you're starting to see customers take delivery of their Relvutos. I can't really pronounce the new Lamborghini, but I've seen a few videos on the internet and it looks really good. But there's nothing like an Aventador. Just looking at this car, it looks like a fighter jet. Amazing. So nice.
It almost looks like a Centenario with the back.
Yeah, I agree. As you can see, we went for a quick fuel stop in the M4. Got the Aventador right there. We got some nice cars over there. The F355 is sounding amazing with the exhaust system on it.
Crazy.
Hell yeah. Man, looking at the Aventador from this angle right here, absolutely wild. Doors going up. The frozen paint is really cool as well. That diffuser's got the little yellow accents in there. Mercedes AMG looks good as well. The blue is a little different than this one. It's got less purple in it. Looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and hop inside the M4, get back on the road. That Mustang is tripping. Oof. combination is incredible. That's crazy. Bikers up here today. Ooh, look at that. It's an RS and R8, another one. Damn! I like that generation of 911. Dude, the F355 behind us just looks so cool. Another GT3, but he's got the headlights flipped up right now. That's such a retro looking car, man. It looks so cool. Goes up on the Venador when it brakes. Oh, he's about to send it, watch. So are we. You know, we've been doing a lot of canyon driving lately, and I don't mind it, man. Especially with these lowering springs. You can tell such a difference in the turning and the handling on this car, just overall performance. Something you don't really think about, but it makes a big difference. Wow, look at all the snow on the mountains up here. That's wild. A lot of rocks too. As you can see, we got the M4 parked up with the rest of the cars, man. These cars are nice. You can see the scenery is even better out here in the mountains, Southern California. You see the snow is up there as well. Something you don't see often out here. But now we get a chance to look at these cars a little more up close. This one right here has really caught my attention. It has a few subtle mods that most people wouldn't notice, but if you know the original cars, you'll see that it's a little different. You see the wheels different than stock. Calipers are painted as well. But these tail lights have LED bars in them, so they're modernized and it looks really good with a car. Sticks with the existing design from Ferrari. And then obviously this needs no explanation. It's just the Ultimate, fully frozen V12. Sounds good. Bone stock doesn't really need anything, but this would sound good with the proper exhaust system on it. I really like the blue on this AMG. This is the SL55 AMG, the new generation of this car. Absolutely love it. One of my favorite Mercedes style of car, kind of like a roadster, two-door, two-seater. Technically it's 2+2, but you're not really fitting too many people back there. Nice interior as well. It's even got a wing on the back too. I really want to know what happened out here though. A lot of glass. It's crazy. This thing is really cool as well. Track Tool Lotus. Orange, obviously manual, super raw car. Very small steering wheel. It's got the bucket seats. Everything you need for the canyons or driving on the track. These things look so cool. Very timeless design as well. But we've got a few cool German cars that pulled up. Obviously new 5 Series right there. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. E46 M3, beautiful car in silver. I like the wrap on this 5 Series as well. But look at this E63S wagon. Very cool car. V8 twin turbo. It's got the black metallic paint. And as you can see, these cars are all business, man. All black, got the carbon accents. Super low key. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But next to that is a V10 M5. This one's very nice. Got HRE wheels. Love these cars in black. Full carbon plenum. Got some dining bits on it as well. This is a nice combo right here, a manual M2, and then we have the frozen Portimao blue. So I'm actually heavily considering doing a frozen PPF on my car. So not only will it protect the car more than a wrap would, but it'll also offer a different color as well, because this color in frozen looks completely different than my metallic. But it's nice to see some of the M Performance bits on this car. They offer some canards on the bumper, full M Performance front splitter. These air ducts is part of the carbon pack, and he's got the CSL front grille as well. But look at the side skirts. This is something we might be adding to the car. It's got like these big fins that poke out, and it just makes the car appear more aggressive. You see these outer carbon slats matches that as well. And he's got a full carbon diffuser with that M Performance exhaust like we saw before. But the wing, we're definitely going to be adding some kind of wing or spoiler to the M4. We got to figure out exactly which one that is. This one I like. Very aggressive, very sporty, and it's a M Performance part as well. I ain't gonna lie, this is a nice combination right here. Is AMG GTS and a 911 Carrera T992. Wow, hard to pick one. I'm probably gonna go with the Merc on this one. You guys know me, I love Mercs. V8 twin turbo, plenty of power, front engine, rear wheel drive. I mean, come on, it's still a proper car. These are very nice as well. Also a proper car, a little more tame. I feel like this would be a little bit more fun to daily drive. If we were talking like Turbo S or GT3, then we can get going in that. But for now, I'm probably gonna have to take GTS. What do you guys think?
I'm so happy I got this car in the manual. I really am. Especially now that we got some mods on the car. We got downpipes, we got the exhaust. It just feels so good shifting this car. And I will say, this car makes a few different noises that I haven't heard on a competition. Some of the shifts, it lets off these big bangs. Some of the downshifts too, it lets off a big pop. I feel like it's some of the back pressure let go. It just releases a bunch of gas and explodes. It just sounds so cool. Oh my god, dude. It is bro, it's literally a Cybertruck meet on Rodeo right now. Turning radius on this car is horrendous. That doesn't show you how bad it is right there. I don't know what will. Yeah! Cybertrucks here, different colors. What the hell is that? It looks like we're in the year 2050 or something.
All the Teslas parked right here. Is green, is red. A couple of red ones actually, and there's a blue one as well. Right outside the Gucci store. The color on this McLaren is crazy. It's like a wild berry purplish pink. Nice couple exotics parked up, a Huracan and a 488, both with liveries on them. Look really cool. I like this one especially. And look what we found right off Sunset at this nice exotic car dealership. Is a Ferrari F40 just parked up on the side of Sunset Boulevard. I mean, if one car just goes left or right, just like Michael B. Jordan, then we're gonna have a big problem on our hands. But nevertheless, it's very nice to see these cars. Wow, just wow. This is arguably one of the best cars ever made. I believe this is also the last car that Enzo Ferrari himself signed off on. So technically, it's the last real Ferrari ever made. So So you can see it's got F40 badges, full plexiglass, triple exhaust, center exit down low. And this is a car from the 80s. So styling, it's a manual. Look at that interior, it's got the bucket seats. Absolutely incredible to see this thing parked up. Yeah. Unbelievable.